Seattle Children's admits a teenage patient died because of mistakes made by hospital doctors and staff.
The 15-year-old autistic boy died from an overdose of medication given through a pain patch. King 5's Deborah Feldman is live at Seattle Children's with details about this case and the changes the hospital has already made as a result. Deborah?
Well, Carolyn and Greg, this civil lawsuit was filed against Seattle Children's last week, and while it certainly will not bring back this boy or make up for all the distress his family is feeling, Children's appears to be willing to own up to their mistakes and is trying to make sure something like this will never happen again.
That Michael was an exceptional and remarkable child.
15-year-old Michael Blankenship was a cherished son and brother, a teenager loved by many when he went to Seattle Children's on March 9th for some dental work. He was autistic and could not speak well. He also could not tolerate swallowing medication. So after the appointment, his dentist prescribed a fentanyl patch to help with the pain. According to her attorney, Michael's mother checked with the doctor, the discharge nurse, and the hospital pharmacist, since her son had never used the patch before. They all assured her it would be fine. But fentanyl patches are usually used for cancer patients with a tolerance for opiates. Michael had never taken narcotics before, and that night, the patch released a fatal dose of the medication.
I certainly don't question the dentist's motive to try to do something for the patient. But we believe the facts in this case show that it's more than just a simple negligence case.
We can never bring back this child, and we can't fully understand to what level we have devastated this family.
The hospital's medical director is clearly distraught by the teen's accidental death and admits both the delivery system and the dose were inappropriate. While the hospital has decided not to discipline the doctor in this case, in the months since Michael's death, they have made several changes.
A thorough investigation revealed that this was not the fault of any one individual. Our detailed root cause analysis identified that this occurred because our processes failed at multiple points.
Seattle Children's has now gone ahead and made numerous changes because of this case. They have changed their process for prescribing and administering fentanyl patches. They've reported this case to the Washington Department of Health and the FDA. They have added information about this patch to their medication database, and they say they're now looking for additional areas of risk to investigate in a sort of proactive move in case there are other medications that could be equally as dangerous. So now I can also tell you that no criminal charges are expected to be filed in this case. However, the child's family's attorney says that they did try mediation with the hospital, which they say did not work out, and that is why this civil case has now been filed. Reporting live at Seattle Children's Hospital, Deborah Feldman, King 5 News.